Nelson Mandela, a story of courage, sacrifice, and triumph. Nelson Mandela was born in 1918 in a small village in South Africa, during a time when racism and oppression were deeply rooted in society. From an early age, he knew that the path to justice would not be easy. Yet, he believed that it always seems impossible until it is done. Mandela studied law and became a passionate voice against apartheid, a brutal system that denied basic rights to millions based on the color of their skin. He joined the African National Congress and soon emerged as a leader who was willing to sacrifice everything for freedom. His activism led to his arrest, and he spent 27 long years in prison. But even behind bars, he never gave up hope. "I have walked that long road to freedom. I have tried not to falter. I have made missteps along the way," he once reflected. When he was finally released in 1990, he chose not revenge, but reconciliation. "As I walked out the door toward the gate that would lead to my freedom," he said, "I knew if I didn't leave my bitterness and hatred behind, I'd still be in prison." In 1994, Nelson Mandela became the first Black president of a democratic South Africa. But for him, the presidency was not the ultimate triumph. It was just the beginning of a new journey. After climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. He believed deeply in the power of knowledge and empowerment. "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world," he said, words that continue to inspire millions today. Mandela was never afraid to show his humanity. "I am not a saint, unless you think of a saint as a sinner who keeps on trying." His humility, strength, and unbreakable spirit transformed not just a nation, but the world.